Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your next 48. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, what's going on with Sagittarius next 48? Sagittarius, what's going on with Sagittarius? One more time. All right, Seven of Wands is in reverse. So you guys have given up on something here. Who? There was some type of tower moment. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Someone's very stubborn. Four of Pentacles. High Priestess is in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. The person you're dealing with. Knight of Pentacles. Page of Cups. How you're handling the situation. Page of Swords in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Hermits in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse on Wednesday. King of Wands in reverse. And Knight of Cups. Four of Wands in reverse. Okay, Four of Pentacles. Have enough fear of taking a risk financially and emotionally. Some of you are holding back because something was revealed to you. Some of you are not listening to your intuition here. You may have made a bad investment. Some of you are penny pinching, holding on to your money here. Some of you may have to help someone that's in need here. And you're not listening to your intuition. The person you're dealing with, this person is being very cold and distant, all right? They may have offered you something, but they're unable to make a decision here. They could be making promises that they can't keep. They could have like reneged on an offer of some sort. This person is being emotionally manipulative. King of Swords in reverse is a narcissist. Six of Cups, this person may be coming back around with some type of communication. There could be communication about one of your children. They could be saying that they miss you. How you're handling this situation, you're opening up here, communicating how you feel. That this person could be not telling the truth. They could be lying. You could be holding back information here. You could be making promises that you can't keep. You definitely, someone is not telling the truth. All right. You may feel like someone's not telling the truth about something. We have poverty, child, and courtship. Someone is feeling left out. Someone may want a new beginning here. Someone may not be financially stable, not doing so well. Or someone could be leaving a child out in the cold in a situation. Or someone is acting childish. Possible outcome, someone's not putting in the work, the effort here. They're going to come out of hermit mode with you, but they're not going to put in any work or effort. Someone is definitely avoiding responsibility here. They're not coming forward. They're not taking action. There may be an offer to break up here. You may have been engaged with this person. But the engagement was broken off, or you could have been married to this person and then you guys divorced. Some of you are going to be releasing some burdens here because someone is not taking action. If they don't offer something, there's going to be a breakup of some sort. There's going to be a breakdown in communications. There's going to be a disagreement, discord in the home. A lot of detached. Someone's going to be detached from the situation. Let's see. What's going on, Sagittarius? Surrender to trust and surrender your fear of intimacy. There may be some trust issues in your relationship or the situation. Someone has a fear of intimacy. You are ready to let love in, compassionately identify, and begin to release any patterns that stop you from opening your heart. Someone is definitely closed off. Trust yourself and your decisions. Don't be swayed by other people's strong opinions about what to do. Take action and be confident that you have chosen the right path. The person you're dealing with could be unable to make a decision. All right, Saggies, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. Love you guys. Toodles.